Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. Save 30 to 60% off at the nation's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I am Dante. Today we're going to go over excessive vibration or shaking with your washing machine. You probably notice when you start, it shakes really violently. One thing that's going to really help that you should definitely look out for is the legs being uneven. If you look at this machine dead on, you can tell it looks level, but if we come over here, you can see that it's not. That is because one leg is raised higher than the other one. So, you want to level out your machine. Helps if I go the other way. So now we are level. You don't have that shaking or that play on the feet, and that's going to take care of that excessive vibration that you have. That's going to be it today. Thank you for coming and looking at the video. Remember to like and subscribe and come back next week for more information.